right now I am at the entrance of Plitvice Lake, also known as Plitvice Jazeera in Croatian language, and I just bought the ticket from the ticket booth. I have this map as well, and there are like a lot of places to visit, but I have decided to go to this like famous spot. This is the main attraction of the Plitvice Lakes and National Park, so I will go and stay tuned for the more video.
Again, both P2, P3, maybe short break coffee. 1 good hour you walk to the big waterfall, keep going left, come up here, and then from station 1, bus brings you to station 2, I mean here.
Hi guys, so right now I am at the first stop of Jazeera Lake, and here the view is really nice and water quality is also crystal clear, as you can see, and people are kayaking. There is a ferry going on, and it goes after every 15 minutes. have just reached the main big waterfall of Plitvice Lake, and it's pretty picturesque view. And the water quality is also crystal clear, and it feels like a paradise. And I would recommend anyone who is coming to Croatia to visit this national park. It's really beautiful. Hi guys, so in our way to the main waterfall, we just came across this bridge, and we would like to show you some like really amazing fish. And as you can see, like the water is completely transparent, and there are a lot of fish, and they are completely transparent, and like the water quality, I haven't seen such water quality in a while, and I'm really glad. And the fish also seems to be enjoying the summer, so they are really nice. I think they are carp fish, so they are really amazing. Hi guys, so I have just reached my final destination, and I would like to show you the final spot of the Plitvice lakes, and here is the surprise for you. Look at the great view.